Okay. All right. Good morning. Good. All right. So let's see. Hi. Good morning, everyone. My name is Chandu, and this is our first ever at-home live program. Today we have our teachers that are volunteering and helping us out during these tough times. I would like to thank Miss Wang Martin, uh, Brandon, Shriman, and all the other teachers that have been supporting this, Sarina Quintal. It's great to have them. With help of these people, we're going to make this a successful learning journey. So the first thing today, from every day, it's going to be like this. From 9, we start, and 9:30, we will release the task 1, and for the students, they will start working on it. And after that, sorry, technical difficulties. So after that, at 9:30, the students will have the task of the day and start working on it. At 10 o'clock, they will be working on a quiz. And no, at 10:30, the quiz will be there, and the quiz ends at 11. And there'll be a piece of work that they need to do as a homework, and they will be submitting by 7 o'clock in the evening. So all these details we will have. But before we do all these things, what we need to do is we need to have a bunch of things that can make this learning experience better. We are expecting all the students to have their accounts and passwords created. If you can, please log into Discord and say hello. Our teachers are waiting at Discord and waiting for your messages so they can put you in the right room. So that's number 1. Number 2 is when the first thing you do is actually to log into STEM1.ca, and every student will have their username and password. And when they log in, there is a tab called My Programs, and under My Programs is where they can see all the different tasks that they're going to work on today. So if you click on the tasks, it will tell you what to do and what is the work that they need to do in order to be successful in that task. Today we will have actually a lot more tasks to do because there is an update, there is a creating Discord account and joining the server and all those different things. From tomorrow, it will be straightforward jumping into the one task that they need to do. So bear with us today as we work on this one and get it ready. So right now I'm going to just wait for anyone that has questions or anything that they need to ask. You can ask us on Facebook or YouTube channel. And also if students are logged in onto Discord, just say hi so that we can place you in there. So that's one thing. Sorry. Sorry about that, technical difficulties again. All right. So I see a lot of people right now. I have Arnav, Damien, Manvik, Pushni, Setumi, Sean, Vedant. So welcome all of you guys. And just say which grade you are so that we can put you into those rooms. And all right, so while I'm doing this, actually, I'm trying to place people in different accounts and everything. We are trying to make this work. Let's see. And at 9:30, like I said, our teacher will be giving you a STEM project that is due on the project is due on Friday at 7 o'clock. And to make it interesting, we are planning to do something where we will find the best project. We'll be having some gift for the first prize and the second prize for STEM project, for um, for the for STEM project, for the best speech and the best poster. So those are the things we'll be doing. So at this time, let's take 10 minutes and try to log into STEM Discord account and join Discord. So I'll pause it right now and we will join back in 10 minutes. So there you go. Okay.
All right. You should write.
Okay. Okay. All right. I hope you can hear me now. One more technical difficulty fixed. Sorry about that. I've been talking about how to log in, and I'll try to make it quick because we have only 4 more minutes. One, log into your account as a parent, and once you log in, you should be able to see your children's username and password. Take that information and ask your child to log in. Once they log in, they can update their profile and they can log in to check their programs. In the programs, when you click on the programs, you should see something called At Home Weekly. And under STEM, there should be 6 or 4 different tasks today that they need to complete. Some of them are simple, like updating their information, and the last one is the task for the day. So Miss Wang Martin is going to talk about the project itself and see, just give them some guidance. And around 10:30 there will be a quiz. So the information, the pin for that quiz will be sent out on Discord. So that's the reason we ask you to connect to Discord account. And with that, at 7 o'clock every day at 7 o'clock, they need to submit homework from Tuesday to Friday. But the Monday project is due on Friday at 7 o'clock. And during the time, once they have completed the work, they can submit their work using STEM1 LMS, and they will be good to go. And all this, and also I need to tell you guys one more thing. That is, I'm able to bring this program, STEM1 is able to bring this program with a lot of support from the community. Everybody is pitching in to make this possible. We have our teachers who are volunteering towards this cause. Ms. Wang Martin, Brandon, Serena, Divij, all these people, these are the teachers that are actually helping us to get this. And even Shriman and Sujata, these are really good teachers that are helping us out during this time of need. And that's the reason we were able to do this, what we are doing. So I hope you guys will enjoy the program and keep your kids engaged with all these projects. And probably they will be much better than when they went in. So that's how we will look at it. Let's make the best out of what we can during these times and see what we can do. So thank you so much again for the teachers and the parents for joining us today. If you have any difficulties during the day, we will be able to help you out, and we will make sure that each and every student is logged in. They know how to do their work and everything. We will supporting you today longer to make sure everything goes smoothly. But from tomorrow, we shouldn't have these issues, and by next week, we will be experts in this one. So thank you for bearing with us. With that, I would like to invite Miss Wang Martin, who is a volunteer teacher who's helping us out with this one. She's going to talk you guys through the project today. Thank you very much.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. We are going to start our first project, and the project topic is STEM. So basically, the scenario is that you, the student, are an engineer, and you are given an opportunity to design a product that will help either the public or people in the healthcare system keep healthy and COVID-19 free. So COVID-19 is the coronavirus that is causing the pandemic right now. And so you're an engineer, you have to design something that will help either the frontline healthcare workers or the general public. It's your choice. Your customer is the government, and you hope to sell the product to the government. So that's a background scenario. So your task is to learn about the COVID-19, learn what prototyping is about, and that information will be provided to you. And then you are going to create a prototype. Okay, so you will learn from a document that we're going to have available what a prototype is. And you are going to build a prototype and with the equipment that you have at home and any materials that you have at home. So you can use paper, you can use Play-Doh if you wish, or Legos, or you can design something online. It's up to you. We're keeping it very, very open-ended. So you can also actually make an app if you are, pretty techy. You can make an app, an electronic app that would help the general public in one way or another, or help healthcare workers in one way or another. And then after you make the prototype, you need to make a poster. The poster is not a big, big poster. You can make the poster on a big poster if you wish, or you can make a poster on an 8.5 by 11 paper at home. It's up to you. I know that we're all at home social distancing, so we're not going to be able to go out and get stuff, nor do we want you to. We want you to stay home and grab whatever you have available, and you're going to get a piece of paper or a board if you have it at home, if not just a piece of paper. Or you can do it electronically if you want. So if you're very good at Paint, for example, on Microsoft Paint or Photoshop or Canva or any of those graphic software, you're welcome to use that too. So you need to make a poster describing your product. Okay, so you're going to make a prototype first, and then you're going to make a poster. And then you are going to make a 1 minute, only 1 minute, so that's 60 seconds, business pitch, so business sale pitch. And you are going to record that 1 minute pitch. And that 1 minute pitch, you are going to quickly describe your product, and you are going to convince the government to buy your product and to distribute it to either the frontline health workers or to the public to keep safe. So that's the overall idea of the project. So I'm going to explain this over time. So again, you are going to be an engineer, and as an engineer, you are going to make a prototype of a device or an app that will help the general public or help frontline workers, so the nurses, the doctors, the paramedics, etc., help them somehow during this pandemic. You're going to make a prototype out of materials that you can find at home, any materials, even a piece of paper, to draw your ideas and put something together. And then you are going to make a poster. The poster could be a digital poster, electronic poster, or it could be on a piece of paper or a Bristol board. If you have one at home, you're going to take a picture of it. When you're done, you're going to send it in. You are also going to make a 1 minute business pitch to convince the government to buy your product, buy your device or your app that you've designed. And that 1 minute video needs to be submitted to us by Friday, along with your electronic poster and perhaps a picture of your prototype. So that's due date is Friday. This can be Friday at 7 o'clock. And we will be judging the different prototype and the posters and the business pitch based on your grade. So the different students in different grades will be marked and judged together. And also we'll be looking at your creativity, your communication skills, how you're able to put together the poster and also the prototype. So there are different tasks that you will see and different steps to get this whole project done. So the first step is you need to learn about the COVID-19. So we need to learn about scientifically what it is, and then we have links and on the website, and the links you will click on each link, read about it, and also watch some of the videos that we have. Feel free to also go online and look for other information as well. Don't limit yourself just to the links that we have online. Do some research outside of the links that we have provided. And then you need to learn about how to wash your hands properly. There is actually a very specific set of instructions how to wash your hands properly. If you don't wash your hands for 20 seconds, for example, and wash it properly, it wouldn't be as effective as you follow the protocol and wash your hands properly. And then the next step is to learn about what prototyping is. So I said the word prototype a few times. You need to learn what that means. So there will be a reference document available, and you need to read that document, maybe get your parent to help you if you're younger, and to read over that page. And also there is a website link that you can go to that talks about prototype is. Again, if you need additional information, you can also always ask the teachers at STEM1, or you can do further research online yourself. So you're going to do that today, to read and watch the videos, learn about COVID-19, learn about how to wash your hands, and also read and learn about what prototyping is. Then at 10:30, you are going to do your quiz. Now the quiz, there's one quiz for grades 2 to 5 and another quiz for grades 6 to 8. And if you do well on the quiz, you get points. So you want to make sure that you watch the videos, read the documents, and then do the quiz. So then at 11 o'clock, the online session eventually ends. And then you can spend the next few days working on your prototype, working on your poster, and working on your business pitch, the 1-minute business pitch. I believe that Chandu is going to have the documents available on the student's account, and then you can take a look and to see what we're looking for in terms of your prototype, and also in terms of your digital poster and your business pitch. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us online on Discord, and also Chandu will be available to answer questions, and we will be available in the background to answer any questions as well. So have fun with the project. It will definitely help build your communication skills, creativity skills, outside the box thinking. There's a lot involved in this, and I'm really excited about this, and I'm really, really looking forward to seeing all of your projects, your posters, and your business pitches. So have fun.
Hey, thank you so much, Diana. That's really good. It's a awesome project to work on, and like Diana said, we have different options. Like, it doesn't need to be an app or anything like that. It's an open-ended thing. The most creative and the most innovative thing, sort of thing for the kids to work on is the awesome thing to do. So you guys can do it, and you can submit. And like we said, we will be available on Discord if there are any questions. The Discord thing, it's not just for students to ask teachers itself. It can be used to collaborate with each other also. So that's the reason we are going with Discord. Many students already use this one, so it's just joining a particular server. That is the STEM1 server. So with that, I think, again, remember, we're going to have 3 different prizes: one for the best poster, best speech, and the best project. So there will be some gift cards going around for these things. So hopefully all the students think about Roblox, Minecraft, and anything else that you may want. So those are the things that we are going for. So good luck, guys, and we are looking forward to see you guys in Discord and even STEM1.ca account. So please log in and be there. We will be ready to help you guys. If you have any questions, please connect with us on Facebook or WhatsApp or Discord. Those are the three different things that we will be available on, and you can ask any questions. Our teachers will be able to help for anything academic related and anything technically oriented questions for the website or how to do something. We will always be there to help you out. And thank you so much again for bearing with us and being here today with us. All right, thank you so much, and bye from STEM1 right now. See you all soon.